Are you tired of spending hours cleaning large flat areas and still seeing uneven marks or lines left by pressure washers? If so, I've got an A+ answer. Hi, I'm Bryce. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at our stainless steel surface cleaner that'll save you time, water, and effort. The A+ surface cleaner is a dependable machine designed to outperform any pressure washer and nozzle combination when cleaning parking lots, wood decks, or concrete applications. The A+ surface cleaner is designed with you, the operator, in mind. Simple, powerful, and effective. This machine produces a professional, uniform finish without soaking your clothes or your wallet. Let's take a look at some of the features and let's see this machine in operation. Operator handles with a floating offset grip provide for ease of use and operator comfort, allowing the operator to attain the perfect work angle to fit their requirements. The Quick Connect handle requires no tools to disconnect, eliminating the pain points of the missing tool at the shop or the misplacement of that missing tool that is lost somewhere in the repair van. With the A+ surface cleaner, there is very low wall clearance. This machine cleans right up to the wall, reducing the handwork required to complete the cleaning process by all wall surfaces. The 4 1 3/4 inch swivel casters provide superior stability and balance, combined with easy mobility, making for straight or side-to-side cleaning motions with no tipping and nozzle-to-surface gouging, protecting both your investment and your customer's flooring surface. The 2-wire pressure washer connection hose offers a higher safety rating with increased durability and increased strength, providing a real durability advantage to keep your surface cleaner in operation over a longer period of time. The brush skirt comes with thick and stiff bristles which help to keep debris out of the cleaning path, prevent overspray, and help reduce the noise level of the surface cleaner. This protects both adjacent walls and the operator. Before we take a look at the A+ surface cleaner in action, let's walk through how you will attach this to your pressure washer and be on your way to fast, efficient cleaning. After connecting the water supply to the pressure washer, attach the surface cleaner to the high pressure hose just like you would with a standard wand assembly. Make sure all connections are firmly in place. Turn on the water and start the pressure washer. Release the safety latch and squeeze the trigger gun. The spray bar under the surface cleaner will begin to rotate and create pressure, allowing the surface cleaner to guide along the surface. Now that we're set up and ready to go, let's take a look at this surface cleaner in action so you can see for yourself the professional, uniform finish you'll get every time with this machine. The A+ surface cleaner can clean a typical 400 square foot area in 10 minutes. Cleaning the same area with a typical pressure washer and spray nozzle will take over 80 minutes. The 21 or 24 inch cleaning swath make for a manageable size that provides a large cover area. This machine can clean up to 40 square feet in 1 minute, dramatically reducing the cleaning times and labor required for the cleaning process. The result is a nice clean surface with no marks or lines, all done in a fraction of the time it would take with a pressure washer, saving you both time and money. All the features contractors look for in a surface cleaner are in this machine because they are necessary for performance and success. The deck is made of stainless steel and not a brittle composite for added durability and a professional look. The spray bar is made rigid and durable for a long and stable service life. With the A+ surface cleaner, you will have the confidence to know the job will be done right the first time, every time. Simple design features in the A+ surface cleaner allow the operator to be more productive and work longer. Small nozzles and a spinning arm produce a smooth, even cleaning path. 4 caster wheels help maneuverability and are ideal for those large areas. The stainless steel housing connects to your pressure washer for fast, effective cleaning, while the corrosion-resistant stainless steel aluminum construction provides durability in even the harshest conditions. This all guarantees an effortless cleaning experience for all operators, even for extended use. This surface cleaner is powerful, efficient, and reliable, and the benefits of using this machine are clear. Effective, shorter working times, enormous energy savings, and long, useful life due to its high industrial quality.
To learn more, please contact your local Hotsy dealer.